Welcome back to DigiTech Dynamo, your hub for creative Arduino projects. Today we're building an electronic dice roller that works just by touching a sensor. It displays dice numbers on an LED matrix and even plays sound using a buzzer. To make this project, you'll need Arduino Uno or MAX7219 LED Matrix display, touch sensor module, TTP223, buzzer, some jumper wires, and a breadboard circuit diagram. Let's understand the code quickly. First, we include the LED control library to drive the LED matrix. Then we define pin numbers, DIN, CS, CLK for the display, pin 2 for the touch sensor, and pin 3 for the buzzer. In the setup function, the LED matrix is initialized, the touch pin is set as input, and the buzzer as output. When the touch sensor is pressed, the Arduino generates a random number from 1 to 6, just like a real dice roll. Each dice pattern is drawn using a custom function, drawDot and showDice. Finally, the buzzer beeps based on the dice number, so if you get a 6, it beeps 6 times. Cool, right? The more you touch, the more you roll. Now, let's see it in action. Every touch rolls a new number from 1 to 6, just like tossing a real dice, but digital and fun. You can use this project in board games, STEM learning projects, or as a fun Arduino experiment for beginners. So that's how you can make your own touch sensor dice roller using Arduino. If you liked the project, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to DigiTech Dynamo for more awesome DIYs.